1. Hey guys, it's the Z-EpicMage here, and today we are playing a giant, savage, evil Pikachu. And so we are here in a campfire, and we are actually oh my lag my necklace. Oh, I died. So today I'm gonna be playing with the Epic Archer.
Yo, what's up?
So definitely check his channel out. He's a very good YouTuber, also known as my brother. Accomplishment. And so today we're playing the same as last video. The giant savage eating, human eating Pikachu. See that? Yeah, and here quickly I'm gonna give you some promo codes if I can get away from this thing that you can use to get some cool, pretty cool stuff. Like this laser gun and this firework. Look at that though.
Animal. Go. Oh crap.
Beautiful.
Eagles.
Oh, kill them. Kill them.
Kill the eagles.
Get the laser gun.
Whatever they are. Die. Eat my AK-47. Feel me, animals.
Killing him.
Feel me,
Kill them.
Pikachu.
Why is the
Feel
Pikachu
me.
back up to 3,000? Oh, I know. It's
already there.
Okay, so I'm gonna go quickly
Like
go into
dealing
this
some major
office
damage.
building.
Oh, run into the building.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this for you. So one promo code you
Yes.
should definitely check out is money. It'll give you 100 coins. Then another one is 1 million. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase or not. 1 million, that'll give you this cool firework thing. And then the other one is pew pew. Yes, sounds like a laser gun, but it literally is a laser gun. So those are 3 promo codes that I know of course. Now shoot the Pikachu. The laser gun isn't half bad. It's the only weapon I have. Because I'm about to actually get the sniper rifle. I'm actually going to get the sniper rifle in this video. So that'd be nice. When life gives you sniper rifles, you shoot a Pikachu in the head. 360 no scope. Oh wait, he has the dark core. I've been wondering.
Oh sweet Jesus Christ is chasing after me.
What happened?
In beast mode.
It changed mode?
It's gone beast mode.
Oh, I see you.
It's gone ballistic.
It's gone ballistic mode, guys. I'm gonna get eaten for you guys, for you viewers at home. Get me eaten.
Gone and
Wait, it doesn't eat you when it's in ballistic mode.
It's
All it does is shoot you. All it does is shoot you. That's cool.
It's gone ballistic.
It's way harder to shoot.
Bring out the big guns. It's gone ballistic.
Can't eat me, Pikachu. It's beautiful. Why is it surrounding me though? Oh!
Get wrecked,
defeated, and I'm still alive. Can't do nothing on me. Oh, that was wrong.
It's good. That's not good.
Oh, it can eat him. I want to get eaten. Get me eaten, please. Yay! Wait, it kills you.
I got it. I'm gonna kill it.
Kills you way faster than before.
I'm gonna kill it.
I can see its red dark eyes. You see that, guys?
I'm gonna kill it.
Look at that, though.
I'm gonna kill it. Get
Right now, we're looking for coins.
Yes! We killed him.
Look at that, though.
I killed him.
He's destroyed.
Die, you bastard. I hope you die.
Yep, oh, look, we get 100 coins every time we kill him. That's
wrecked.
And now let's get this one of a hell of a amazing weapon, sniper rifle.
There's another
purchase.
One. Yeah.
5. Let's see how much damage this do. That does a...
That's all you bought?
Wait, I haven't actually shot it. No.
Get wrecked, son.
5.
I'll get some more coins.
That does like 5,000 damage. That does like 9,000 damage. 4,000 damage every hit.
That's pretty good.
That's the best weapon in the game, Andy. What are you saying? It's not pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I got spawn killed.
Yeah,
Die. And the best part is that please tell me you can snipe. No? Can't snipe.
Sadly, you get eaten.
Sadly, that's sad.
Keep mistaking you with someone that looks exactly like you.
Snipe him though.
Why doesn't it die? I'm McDonald's.
Yeah, that does 4.
Oh, sweet mother of Jesus Christ. Oh, crap, it's trying to eat me. No. I got stuck in the chair. No, I don't want to eat here. No.
Boy, this is a lot of
It's
damage.
eating me. I got eaten. Leave a like if you want to see that thing burn to the ground with a flamethrower. Because that's what I'm going to do. Get that. Oh, it's... Yes. Hate that thing.
Damn it.
Get eaten. You. Bastard. Oh no, sweet Jesus Christ, no! It's eating me.
Saw that.
Got eaten.
Oh, you're gonna get spawn killed.
Never. Are you kidding me? I keep falling to the ground when it's chasing me. Oh, I see a red coin in the distance.
I'll beat you to it. No.
Okay.
You're gonna beat me.
You don't even know where it was.
Yeah.
How are you gonna beat me to it if you don't even know where it is?
It's already down to 2, Eddie.
That's called autism. Think.
I beat you to it. Look. No. Ha ha. Still red.
Got it. Gotta go fast.
Haha, look. Another one that was easier to get.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Such a good gun.
Why does it keep chasing me? Into the building.
Keep on missing.
Gotcha, coin. Oh no. The evil thing is gonna eat me. Demon. Die, demon.
No, it must die.
Must die. Die of age. I wonder if we play like for a year straight, would it die like of age or something?
Wonders.
The wonders of life. I'm running. Shoot, boy. Ah.
Good shot.
Right. No, don't shoot me. No.
Oh, that's nice.
Ouch.
Very
you wanna
nice.
fight?
So next I'll be buying the, what's it called? In weapons, I'm going to be buying the grenade launcher. I think, I hope. So, nah, never mind. You know, I want to buy this dark coil. I'm curious what it does.
It's a dark and it's a coil.
It's nice.
Simple as that.
Why does the the sniper rifle doesn't work as it said in the news video.
Okay, and leave a
Thing.
like on this video, because you don't, you die.
Says Pikachu will find you.
Yeah, that's, he's gonna find you. Can't hide.
No, seriously, you can't hide on this map. They'll just look breakthrough signs. Ah! Oh,
mean,
that's
to be honest,
McDonald's, you burger blocks, you killed me. Ouch.
Accurate. Hashtag emoji.
Let's
And
see
I will
how long
the evil demon thing.
it has already been 8 minutes. I think we have like 2 minutes left. So yeah, subscribe if you want me to MLG360 no scope this Pikachu. No, no.
You should do a tour to the meme house.
I was scared.
Do a tour to the meme
Oh,
house.
to the meme. I spawned right next to it. How convenient. There's Dape memes and there's Shrekis.
Freak. Yeah, Freak.
And that reference though. That's also a reference. Forgotten creatures.
Forgotten creatures.
Climb and I'm gonna
Yo, look at
slime.
this McDonald's obese guy.
I don't get it. The place is called Burger Blocks and he's wearing a t-shirt with an M on it.
I'm in the play park. McDonald's.
Snipe.
Oh, I snapped my neck on one of the games. I died.
Snipe.
That's great. If you go to the McDonald's playhouse, you'll find a dead body. Just saying. That's how unsanitary that place is. To be honest, I don't even think sanitary is a word where we're at. Like, there is no sanitary. Now eat my AK-47. Oh crap. No. Stay away from me. Fight back. Oh sweet Jesus Christ. No.
Die.
Immortal. No, just stepped on a red coin. Can't reach the thing. Oh crap. Run. So close to buying the flamethrower, and I'll be able to eat that thing. I'm gonna like freaking flame oil the thing. Don't let it destroy the brick house.
Why?
Red coin!
Oh. Thanks.
For nothing, I got it.
I got it.
No, I got 10 coins. Eat that
No.
nasty.
Ah!
Fight it! Oh crap. Eat the A-bug thing. It doesn't die. It's immortal. Yay, guys. 3, 2, 1. I got the flamethrower. Let's go.
Really?
Yeah, let's go. Navigation. Weapons. You damn animal! Frick you! Kill me. It's having like a life achievement, I think. Burn! Burn! I said burn!
That does a good combo with my
Burn! No, that's just me. That's all me.
my sniper.
Snipers crash.
That's what I want.
Eat fire. Eat it.
Sorry for all you Pikachu fans, but we have to kill it. Yeah, it's my mom. Sadly, I have a time limit. At least on the weekdays with school. Wait, what? His eye goes like this, but not. I can't see a thing.
Does that thing blink? Oh crap. Oh crap again.
Any button I can use to aim. Guess not.
Why does that thing like especially like eating me? Like my
'Cause it
favorite
knows.
snack is like
I think we're gonna kill it like one more
Friend
time. And then we're
989
gonna have
favorite
to-
snacks. Come and get them. Holy crap! Where have I gone? I've flown up into the air.
It's eating me.
Yeah, eat it. Eat my flamethrower. Also, you see that major damage happening on the screen? That's me. My flamethrower of awesomeness. Boy,
Let's go with that.
the damage is crap, and as you can see, I shoot like a mile per hour, doing like 1,000 damage each hit. So trash. Should feel like trash. It doesn't need a reload. This is awesome. Feel my power, Pikachu. Feel it. Sniper rifle might do a lot of damage, but it's not as good as. Oh crap! Jesus Christ! No, go away. More damage. Oh crap! Eat me.
I should definitely get the flamethrower now.
No, 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 stay away! Ah! No! Ooh, coin.
Wait, is that a...
It brought me up to a coin and then it ate me. Here you go. Time to finish it off. 45,000 is just 3 minutes of endless shooting. Sort of, maybe. Probably less.
Check how much time this video's been. Okay, I think we're gonna have to end it here, right when we kill this thing. No! Oh my god, I almost died by an evil Pikachu baby.
Run, Andres!
It's gonna enter rage mode in
gonna
just
enter the
a bit.
house. Run, Andres!
I think it belongs there.
there.
There it is! It's dead.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Ow!
Disintegrated you! Holy moly! Run away, Andres! No! I can't escape it! Too fast! No! I don't wanna die!
Snipe.
Ah!
I finished it off! Level 6! That was a level 6
No one
evil
likes
Pikachu.
you.
And
Okay.
destroyed it, and we are to this. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, and I'm at the end of the video here.
Victory.
It's over my time limit, sadly. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.